Air fry soft boiled eggs. This is how to cook soft boiled eggs in the air fryer so that they're lovely dippy eggs that you can dip toast, cucumber or courgette into and have for a lovely breakfast. Hello, my name is Samantha and I'm from the blog recipethis.com and also the voice behind the Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today, myself and my husband, who will be behind the camera, will be showing you the easiest of the easy, healthy air fryer and instant pot recipes that are ideal for beginners to instant pot and air fryers, but want something healthy that is just ridiculously easy to do and just perfect for when you're starting out with your new kitchen gadgets. And of course, this is part of our project of healthy instant pot and air fryer recipes. And don't forget to comment below with which kitchen gadgets you have, and also to subscribe to our channel and join our mailing list over at recipethis.com/newsletter, as we do have some amazing Learn Your Air Fryer and Learn Your Instant Pot courses to help you get you started on your kitchen gadgets journey. So I managed to pick up some fantastic eggs that are on what we call pink sticker here in Portugal. That basically means that they're reduced on clearance. You must use them within X amount of days, and it's great for getting a great deal on some eggs. So what I recommend you do is do as many or as few eggs in the air fryer basket as you want. I am going to actually do 6 of them. And they don't need to be in a baking pan unless you want them to be. They don't need to be on an egg rack. They can just be perfectly positioned in the air fryer basket and be ready for air fryer cooking. So then all you do is place your eggs in your air fryer basket, turn it on, and then the important thing is the temperature's very low when you're doing eggs in the air fryer, because otherwise you will burn them. You need to take it down to 120 Celsius, which is 250 Fahrenheit, and then you want to set the cook time to 10 minutes. And then you press start. What I've actually found when I've been doing these before is that 8 minutes, they're pretty raw still. 9 minutes, they're slightly too runny, and that 10 minutes is kind of ideal. So we've baked. So there are the hard-boiled eggs. It's now time to take them to the sink and give them a good peel and see how they've turned out. And the air fryer's baked. Let's check on our eggs, shall we? There you have it. There are your eggs. So let's place them in the little egg cups, and then they are ready to have however you like them. How we prefer to have them in the Milner house is with either some toast soldiers or some cucumber soldiers. So then let's have a look at them, shall we? Shall we see if they're actually soft boiled? So as you can see, that's lovely and soft. Let's dunk in some cucumber and see. So let me bring it into the camera for you so that you can get a closer look. There's perfectly soft boiled eggs in the air fryer. Then of course, if you like us, you'll like them with a sprinkle of salt on top. And then you're good to go. It's as simple as that to make soft boiled eggs in the air fryer. It's one of those great breakfasts, and you can decide what to serve it with. It depends on what your personal preference is, of course. So please comment below with which bread maker and air fryer you have at home in your kitchen. Here in the Milners, we have just a cheap bread maker that we got from Amazon Germany that we had shipped to us, and we also use the Philips Air Fryer XL, which we've had for a few years now. And if you are into air fryers and bread makers, do head over to recipethis.com, as we have a lot of recipes for you to choose from there, and all the recipes that we're mentioning in these videos you can find over there too. Thanks for watching. We have a huge collection of kitchen gadget recipes including air fryer, instant pot, slow cooker, soup maker and many others. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media. Best of all, join our newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter. There we have plenty of printables, cooking time cheat sheets, free ebooks and mini courses to help you along your way in your kitchen gadgets journey.